Our quality of service, we have sometimes emergencies where we need to come on site that day or the next day, sometimes outside of business hours. A lot of other companies would not have the availability. We have guys that come together and accommodate offices based on their schedule. If there's an issue that needs to be fixed, say you can't see patients because of this certain issue and you're told you can fix that in a few days, that's not really acceptable. So we kind of gauge the urgency of it, and being able to do that is going to be less downtime for our offices that we support, and that's probably the biggest goal. Some companies might not only do dental. Usually we can get quicker solution, or they're not used to someone showing up on site, or just giving them that quality of being on site, or just being someone that's easy to talk to. Sometimes you might have a technician come on site, they might be good with computers, but they don't know how to hold a conversation. Some other IT companies, they might have one technician that services a whole big region. We have many techs available in a smaller scope. So the guys that are going on site, you might often talk to remotely, versus there's a lot more separation in other companies of the guys that are going on site and who's helping you out over the phone.